of the mental human power and technical vocational training center. Besides, we are all sharing the same questions. Sino ba siya? Anong course niya? Paano siya naging most outstanding student? So, let us answer each question. Sino ba ako? Standing in front of you is Marilyn Matagal Sanchez, which my beautiful instructor and dearest colleagues call Manny most of the time. Anong course ko? I'm from Advanced Management Services LCT. Kami yung course na ika nga ng iba, MS. Wow, bigatin. Utak naman nandyan eh. So, and the last and important question, paano siya naging most outstanding student? Sa totoo lang, tinanong ko din ito sa sarili ko. Bakit ako? What did I do? What made me deserving of being given this award? Ilang araw ko itong inisip until I came up with these three answers. First is because of my intention. Nag-enroll ako sa Advanced Management Services because I needed to. I'm a fresh graduate from Diploma course in Legal Office Management in PUP English. At tama po kayo ng narinig. Diploma course. 3-year course. In order to graduate my program to a bachelor course, I needed to have this qualification of having a national certificate in advanced management. That is why I'm so eager na pumasa sa institutional and national assessment. Because I have to. Naalala ko na nag-enroll ako. Minalimos ko agad ko. Sabi ko, SB3 QT. Tapos, ayun. This intention led me to where I am today. Second, it is because of my willingness to learn. As a person, I know that education has no limits. You can learn from seeing things, hearing things, and experiencing things firsthand. Although I know myself in this course because I have to, it does not mean that I force myself out of this. I learned a lot and enjoyed learning more. Because learning more means trying to be good at anything. And trying to be good at anything leads you somewhere. Because you never want to stop learning. Third is because of the people around me. I won't be achieving this by myself. No. Hindi ganun yun. Even though like the Bible did not build the ark alone, he had someone to help him, support him, stand by him, and believe in him. And just like Noah, I'm blessed enough to have these kinds of people who help me, support me, stand by me, and believe in me. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo. Tumanda na yung Power and Technical Vocational Training Center. Maraming salamat po sa pagiging institusyon na bumubuo at nagsasabuhay ng mga pangarap. To our City Mayor, Honorable Glenn Avalos, maraming salamat po sa pagdagan ng MMMPTC. Kung hindi po dahil sa iyo, wala ang lahat ng ito. To our MMPTC Head, Miss Maria Mahalia Tampico, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang paggabay at pagsuporta sa aming mga estudyante ng Manpower. Sa lahat ng opportunities na dumadating at paparating pa, ay dahil po yun sa unconditional support niyo. Tumatang nga po sa amin yung sinabi niyo na ang success namin ay hindi lang nananatili sa amin, kundi nagiging successful din. Maraming salamat po. To my wonderful trainer, Miss Marilu P. Lizardo, I hope you know that this achievement only means that you are such a bright and impressive instructor. You only not taught us but you also treated us like a family. Maraming salamat po sa pagturo, paggabay, pagsama, at pagiging mabuting guro. Our dream and journey with you will always be worthwhile. To our the MMTVTC leaders, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Lahat ng oras at kaalaman na inilalaan ninyo sa amin ay nagiging kasanayan o skill na nagsisilbing susi sa mga pinto ng oportunidad na naghihintay na lamang sa amin upang buksan. To our MMTVTC employees and staff, maraming salamat din po sa inyo sa lahat ng effort and dedication na inilalaan ninyo sa inyong trabaho upang maging maayos ang lahat sa ating institusyon. And to my beloved classmates, and that's enough to have such amazing people to share knowledge and experience with. Grabe! Sa 2 buwan na nakasama ko kayo, palagi kong nararamdaman na may pamilya ako sa loob ng MMTVTC. Sa pagtitiwala sa akin, Ate Ana Guerrero, sa pagre-remind sa akin na magmalakas ako at kumain ng tama, Ate Regina Camastillo, sa pagsadya ng gamot na naiiwan ko nung inalaka ako itanilap ng class, Beverly Kumpa, sa pag-cheer up, Nina Danilo, sa pagiging mabuting leader, Ate Caroline Arashon, sa palaging pangangamustang okay ako, Ate Maribel Alfonso, sa pagpapasaya ng class natin, Ate Mayel Angeles, at sa pagiging makwela kaibigan, John Rex de Laos, kayong lahat ang nasa likod ng lahat ng ito. Wala sa aking puso, salamat. To my family and partner, thank you. This success is made for you. To the Lord, thank you for the knowledge and wisdom He gives me and to all of us. And by standing here with air to breathe, alive, safe and healthy, and blessed, it was all Him. Thank you, Lord. To myself, thank you for being the person of whom my younger self truly proud. Sure ako na si Mary na 8 years old lang sa akin ngayon. To all of you, thank you for doing your best to be here. I want to end this speech with this quote from Shannon Miller. Doing your best is important or more important than being the best. So, everyone, let us do our best. Even when no one is watching. Even when we see no results yet. Even when we're tired, frustrated, and lost. Because the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. Let us all give ourselves the love that we deserve. Thank you and congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pride and honor to present the graduates of the next milestone services for the batch June 5, September 15, 2022.
Ito, Diyos. Mama, tama ka. Gantin mo akong gold yung ano mo.
Alfonso Martel. Angeles Mayer. Pilaos Jeffrey I. Papasilio Regina. Umpa Beverly. Guerrero Analista. Yamido Dina. Oración